Hello, this is Darius. I'm going to start a new video series how to make a game with Unity and Blender. So in first part I will show you how to make a simple texture map. I will use free program GIMP. I will make a low poly models in Blender and then import to Unity. The quickest way to assign colors to your models is texture mapping, because with one diffuse texture it's easier to import the same Blender model to Unity. Open GIMP, make a new image 400 by 400. Turn on grid, turn on snapping for quicker work. Make little squares 22 by 22 pixels. And assign colors whatever we want. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, Move tool to move selected objects. You can make a texture map with only maybe 6 or 10 colors, but I recommend to make a texture map with about 20 different colors. You can do the same like in video. When texture map is done, you can export it into PNG format. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel to see a second part.